Hi folks, Heath Grossman here for Money Wisdom Question Series. Today's question is, what questions should I ask my employer about my retirement benefits? So, whether retirement is decades away or right around the corner, here are 5 important questions to ask your employer about your benefits. A 2025 Goldman Sachs survey found that those with a 401k or similar type of employer-sponsored plan accumulated 29% more in retirement savings versus folks that did not have access to plans like that. Taking full advantage of your workplace retirement plans is one of the easiest ways to start saving for retirement. So, here are some questions to ask. Number 1, what retirement benefits am I eligible for? You're going to probably find fewer and fewer, maybe almost none, no employers these days that offer your old school type of pension plan. So most of the plans these days are your savings types of plans. So 401k, 403b, 457 plan. Maybe you work for a smaller employer and they might have a SEP IRA or a simple IRA, right? All these different names. They're really all the same type of thing where you're able to defer some of your salary or save some of your salary into the plan and you're socking that money away for retirement down the road. Number 2, do you offer a matching contribution? And if so, how much? This is one of the best parts of employer-sponsored plans. Most employers out there will match some of the contribution that you put into it. That's compensation that your employer wants to give you, right? So you want to be saving at least up to the percentage that would give you the full match. Number 3, how long does it take to be vested in the plan? Okay, so what does vesting mean, right? Vesting means like, is it all mine? And so your own contributions are always 100% vested in the plan. Now those matching contributions that I mentioned earlier, sometimes those take some time to become really all yours. So there might be a schedule of a certain number of years where they progressively become more and more vested. Number 4, what are my investment options? And is a Roth a possibility? Most employer-sponsored plans, savings plans out there are going to have mutual fund-like sub-accounts inside of them that you can invest in. And some plans, a lot of plans these days, offer people the ability to make a Roth contribution in addition to that traditional style pre-tax contribution. Number 5, when I leave or retire, what are my options? Right? Am I able to just walk away with all of this money, roll it over to an IRA or another employer-sponsored plan? Or do I have to wait a period of time? Or does it get forced out in terms of a distribution to me? If you've contributed to multiple employer-sponsored plans over the years, you may be wondering if it's time to roll them out to an IRA or a 401k plan. To learn more, watch our episode called Should I Consolidate My Multiple 401k Accounts by clicking the link in the description. So hopefully this was helpful for you and informative. I certainly hope so. If it was, give us a like and share it with a friend. Thank you very much. Again, Heath Grossman for your Money Wisdom Question Series of the day.